Hi, this is Stefano, and I want to show you a tool that we built exactly for you. So you're an InDesign user, you're working in a marketing environment, and you need to create your document in many different languages. It's a pain. I know, I've been there, and this tool comes from that pain. So I understand your needs really, really well. So I have uploaded my document inside here. It's an InDesign document. It's in English, and I want to create it into French and Italian. What happens is that I uploaded my InDesign document. I will get my text translated, and then I can download an InDesign document. The InDesign document is going to be in the translated language, and it's going to look exactly the same. Same formatting, same images, same everything. You can test this tool at redocun.com as soon as you finish watching this video. So the cool thing about what we built at Redocun is that you can upload the document, you can select the target languages, and then you can invite your team to work in here. We communicate with them. We send the emails and we invite them to work inside this tool. And the tool is super easy to use. So when they get inside here, they don't get lost. They don't have 1,000 questions. They can just get the job done. In 10 minutes, they learn how to use the tool. It's super easy, you will see. Another interesting thing is that you can do the translation online by inviting your team members. You can use AI to do the translations. You can invite your language partner to do the translation, and you can even send them the translations. They can do them in their own tools, and then you can import them. So super easy, and as you can see, we thought precisely about your needs. And if you have a document that is updated, maybe it's already translated, or maybe it's not translated yet, but you need to update the source document, you can upload a new version here and make sure that your entire team is working on the most updated version. And all of this, you can do it without sending emails and getting lost with all the different file formats. You are in control. You can see everything that happens in this platform, and everybody is updated, and you see the advancement. So really easy. I go inside my Italian language so I can show you what your team will see. So here they find the text that was extracted, and here they can see the translations that were already added. If some translation was not added, they will see it empty, and they can just click in here, and they get suggestions either from AI that they can use immediately, or from translations that the team did in the past and they were approved. So they can create those suggestions by clicking on here and turning this box into green. So in this way, these two sentences, every time when my team will translate these two sentences in the future, they will find them already filled up and already ready to be used. So super easy. And if I have some text that I want to translate very quickly, I can use AI to translate it very quickly. I can use ChatGPT, DeepL, or Google Translate at this time to translate my Italian language. Of course, I can use the same to translate all the languages that I have assigned here. So if I click on here, I can decide to use ChatGPT for the Italian and DeepL for the French. And when I click on continue, I can select the tone of voice and launch my translation. So super easy to use. As you can see, my team can come in and do the translations. They don't need 2 hours of training. They just need 5 minutes inside the platform, and they understand how to use it. And when I want to do the translation very quickly, I can do it in seconds, and they can just come inside and review the translations. So even busy teams can get the translations done very, very fast. And we also take care of using your terminology. You can create a personalized vocabulary where you can indicate, in my case, the English and the translation in French and Italian. And the tool will take care of personalizing the AI translations. So you get translations that are using your language, your terms. So when your team comes inside and they have to review the French translation, they will find that the French translation use your terminology. So they can confirm all the translations, or you can just lock it if you want. I can show you the Italian that was more advanced as a translation. So I can go inside here and you can see it's all translated, all confirmed. I can see here that everything is okay. My team has done the entire check of all the translations. There's nothing else that needs to be checked by a human. I can confirm here, and super easily I can download my document. So as you can see, as you've seen, this is very easy to use and it's very fast to get your document translated. You can try this with your own documents at redocon.com and you can test your document. So you can download it and you can open it in InDesign and see how nice it looks once you download the translation. So I'm sure you're going to love this tool. So I really invite you to just try it out with our free trial and to reach out if you have questions. It's not difficult to use it and you will see that it's really, really helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and thanks so much for watching this video. Have a good day.